Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of auto budget creation in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This powerful tool eliminates the hassle of manual budget setup by automatically generating new budget at the start of every financial year. Using predefined budget templates, it ensures accuracy, consistency, and efficiency in budget management. Perfect for businesses looking to streamline financial planning, reduce error, and save time. This module helps maintain a smooth and structured budgeting process. First of all, we will hop on to the accounting module. Here, under configuration, you will find the budget category. Click on that and here you can see or create different budget categories. Here I have already created two different budget categories here. Here you can see the item requested, code, parent category and department. Here you can see the second budget category I have created. After that, under configuration, we will go into the setting. Under auto budget create, we will add a budget template and the financial start date. Afterwards, we will save it. Here you can see the set it template and start date. Now, under accounting, you will find a analytic budget. Click on that and here you can see there are already two budget created. Now, we will go into the settings. Under technical, we will find schedule action. Here, we will go into the schedule action and we will open create new financial year budget automatically. Now we will run this cron. Here I am running my cron manually. Now again we will go into the accounting module. Under accounting we will go into the analytic budget and here you can see a new budget is created for 2025. And here you can see all the information for the budget. From the setting, you can print your budget report. Here, after clicking on budget report print, here you can see the budget reported printed. Here you can see all the details of your budget. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.